भाग्य विधाता इस जग में भाग्य बनाने आया। ब्रह्मा ने अपने बच्चों को शिक्षाओं से सजाया। मीठे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों, ज्ञान की राह है न्यारी। मीठे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों, ज्ञान की राह है न्यारी। शिव पिता ने दी है तुमको, शिव पिता ने दी है तुमको श्रीमत कितनी प्यारी, श्रीमत कितनी प्यारी। मीठे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों, मीठे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों। हंस समान बनकर तुम मोती चुगते जाना। धारण करना गुण सभी से, सबको गुणी बनाना। इस जग को करेगी पावन, इस जग को करेगी पावन दृष्टि तुम्हारी उपकारी। शिव पिता ने दी है तुमको श्रीमत कितनी प्यारी, श्रीमत कितनी प्यारी। मीठे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों, मीठे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों। संगम युग का वर्षा यही है, शिव से मिलन मनाना। संगम युग का वर्षा यही है, शिव से मिलन मनाना। समय श्वास संकल्प सभी सेवा में लगाना। पवित्रता बरसाए जग में, पवित्रता बरसाए जग में। फरिश्ता झलक तुम्हारी, फरिश्ता झलक तुम्हारी। शिव पिता ने दी है तुमको, शिव पिता ने दी है तुमको श्रीमत कितनी प्यारी, श्रीमत कितनी प्यारी। मीठे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों, मीठे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों।
Om Shanti, brothers and sisters. Welcome to our session on Instagram marketing. The journey is not over yet. We are in the second week and the second day of the second week actually. And we have a lot to cover. We covered quite a bit yesterday. And today also definitely there will be a lot to cover. Just a little bit from today's Murli. Whatever service you do is fine, but the most important thing is your consciousness. And that means your stage is very, very important. You have to use your thoughts, words, and action to do service, no doubt. But then if you have the right stage, then you can claim full marks. But always remember that the Lord is pleased with the honest heart. So with an honesty, with the right consciousness, with the right stage, whatever we do, we can definitely claim full mark. It doesn't matter what kind of service we are doing. Secondly, in your help in your course here, we can take nothing new in an optimistic way and a pessimistic way also. So you have to be optimistic in using the word nothing new. Nothing new here means that if at all you're facing any challenges, understand that you have overcome that, or rather become victorious over that, and you made it through. So that is an optimistic way of looking at the word, the phrase which Baba uses, nothing new. But you can use it in the opposite way, negative way. Oh, I cannot do it, then well, it's nothing new. It happened before, it happened again. It can't be like that. So always look on the positive side. Definitely you would be able to accomplish a lot from this course. So with that, over to Brother Nanda. Take over, brother. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Okay. Firstly, before I start, could all of you not chat when the class is going on? Only put questions which are really necessary. Okay, so that will help because if not, it disturbs a lot. All right. So if you need to say Om Shanti and all, maybe during the end or later on. Okay, try that. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. Okay, good. So today is 13th of June, and I think I gave you homework. All right, I gave you homework. What was your homework? Do you still remember your homework? What is your homework? Okay, so yesterday I gave you homework that you need to talk to Baba. Okay, at Amritwela. I hope you were talking to Baba at Amritwela regarding what kind of service you wish to do. And yesterday we were talking about everybody can do seva. And today Baba mentions that there's so much of seva to do. So amazing how Baba can actually know what we all are thinking. So that is extremely amazing. I was amazed when I listened to Murli. So I hope you're talking to Baba and maybe you got some inspirations from Baba, especially at Amrit Vela, because Baba can touch you in so many ways. So, however, if you didn't get any ideas yet, doesn't matter. Keep talking and then you'll get new ideas. So I'm going to show you quite a number of stuffs today. Okay. And then let's see from there how we can go about it. Okay. Hide this somewhere. Okay, good. So
Nanda, there is some hissing sound, no?
There's a hissing sound. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Your mic is rubbing your chin,
Okay. All right. Okay. I hope it's better now. Is it okay? All right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's proceed. This is the homework I asked you to do. What's your story? Did you speak to Baba about it? All right. Some of them may not be suitable for you because you might be a professional. You might be doing something different. you can't directly show that you are practicing meditation. So that is why you need to know how you're going to help Baba to do service on social media. All right. So all these are the examples which I've given to you. I think you know this and keep talking about it. And we're going to expand more today. Now, what we need to learn today, we need to learn how to set up your Instagram profile. But this is another very important thing because we are going to set it up in such a powerful way, in such a different way. We don't want to do it in a Lokik way. So I just want to show you how we can do it. And then again, you need to speak to Baba about it. Okay. Now, who is my target group? This is another very important thing. Who are you trying to target? Sometimes it is not necessary to target everybody. It is not necessary. And once you have identified your target group, how do you reach your target group? All this is our purpose, our objective today. All right. What is an objective? What's an objective? An objective is a direction to my intellect. I'm telling my intellect, I want to do this and I want to learn this. So this is why I'm showing you this so that you clearly know and then you can actually tell yourself, talk to yourself about doing this. Now then, you also need to know who is following me. Because there are many people out there who simply want to follow you. We don't need such people. We don't need such people. And then you also need to know, do I need to follow certain people or not? Now, at every point, I must remind you that at every point, I would like you to bring Baba in. See, because we are not doing a Lokik kind of Instagram. At every point, we need to be guided by Baba. Example, you see, when you have your Instagram and then you put up certain photos and videos, there are people who want to follow you. There's no need to immediately click and say, I want to follow you. Can you follow me? There's no necessary. We need to clearly know, is this worth it? And how would you know it's worth it or not? So you need to actually again talk to Baba, bring Baba again and again and again. So when you are doing this, we must not stray. We must not go out at each and every point. Increase your remembrance. Increase your remembrance. That means Instagram is a tool to increase your remembrance of Baba. That's how I would like you to use it. See, all right? So at every point, when you want to put up a photo or an image or something or write the story, you need to do something extremely powerful, which I will later tell you how to do it. Okay? In case I didn't touch it, you must remind me towards the end. Okay? Now, then we need to do a bigger seva of trying to find where Baba's children are hiding. Now, Baba's children are hiding all over. But if you look at the overall view, there's something which touched me, or not touched, I was thinking about at Amrit Vila. See, Mama, Baba, Dadi, all these people, through them we have been created. And we have met Baba a few times, many times, some of us. We are actually considered very fortunate. And most of us here, I think you are in the first birth of the golden age. All of us. Now, but what about the rest of the 20 million souls in golden age? Where will they go? Who will they look for? If Brahma Baba wants, he can single-handedly, one person, he doesn't need us at all. Brahma Baba is so powerful. One person, he can find all the children and say, okay, let's end the world. I'm taking you all back. Okay, let's go. He can do that, but he didn't. Brahma Baba, just now the song was so beautiful. Bhakya Vidata, Shiv Baba, the fortune maker, has come, and Brahma Baba is distributing the fortune to all the children. Brahma Baba is distributing such great fortune to all the children. Like, can you also create your fortune? Go and look for all the children. So our task now is just my thought is to look for that 20 million people throughout the golden age of the 8th months. Now there was also one more new thing which came into my intellect was somewhere last year towards the end of the Sakkar Murli, Baba mentioned one word called Anujanak. Anujanak. Don't know whether you still remember. Anujanak, and he said in 1 second, within 1 second, Anujanak, he was referring to the children who will become the silver age children. In 1 second, they will go and get salvation, Jivan Mukti. 1 second, and he said, that is Anujanak. I was thinking, how is it that they are going to get visions? Now remember, when you open your Instagram, all your stories of the Instagram is going to be there. And people are going to see it. The silver-aged soul may not come directly in contact with Baba at all. But they are going to come in contact with us through the things that we post in the Instagram. That's why I'm saying it has to be quality. All those things, and it will probably pop up like images of visions to them. And so within a second, they realize and they go into silver age. It could be that. Also, I was thinking something. All those stories that you're going to start writing in your Instagram or your Facebook, those beautiful stories of how Baba has come into your life, might in the Copper Age become the Puranas and the stories of the Copper Age. So I was just having this thought. I'm just sharing only with you. Right? So this story that you're going to put must have power in it, must touch people, and must make them see something more in life. That's how I'm seeing it. Okay. Then I also must show you how to create my story. And then finally, when people start to follow you, how are you going to engage? Engage means what? Get connected with them. We are not going to see them. There is no need to see them personally. There is no need. Nobody is going to call you from the Instagram. There's no need. Most they might do is just answer you back in the Instagram or send you an email. I want to show that. Right? So they will engage with you, they will connect with you, and then they need to know. Right? So this is God's children. So all this we must try to figure out. And remember, you cannot figure this out alone. You have to do it with Baba. Okay? All right. Let's proceed. Now let us build our profile now. Okay? Now I'm going to take you back, and if you have time, take a look. If you want to use your handphone and build on the spot, that's also fine. Okay? Now let's go back. Okay. Okay. I'm going to stop sharing. Okay. And go to my Google. All right. So this is my Google. I'm here now. I have already set up my profile. This is my PC now. Now, I want you to see something which I did. I have set my profile something like this. Now, when people come and see me, the first thing they will see is this logo, which will explain automatically. Can you see? The name BK Meditation and meditation explains clearly. Now, this is very important because I want to filter unwanted people who are not interested in spirituality. Because the 99% of people or more are not going to come to Baba.
It's only a small percentage. So I am thinking, Baba, I am setting this name and this picture. It is your task to bring those people. And when they see this, Baba, it is you who are going to touch them. But if you simply put some photo here, it doesn't help much. So you need to think carefully. What do you want to portray? What you want to show your Instagram to be? That means when people enter, they must like, okay, yeah, I want to meditate. I want to meditate. Yeah, I like to meditate. Yes, maybe I'm in the right place. That's the feeling they must get. You see? Then some people might accidentally come here and then they'll see meditation. Okay, I'm not interested in meditation. But they were brought in accidentally by Baba. See, this happens all the time. Then you must put something here which explains, because this is not Center's Instagram. Remember, Center's Instagram is different strategy. Later we will discuss. This is going to be your personal Instagram. Now, this personal Instagram, you have put something here. I mean, it can also be Center's Instagram. Can, okay? Depending on how you do it, we'll discuss. Then you say, look at me. What am I saying? Awaken. I want to transform myself. This person is serious about changing the self. Then I'm linking meditation. I understand everything. That means I'm saying I awaken, I transform myself, and then I understand everything, and then I serve from the heart. I'm trying to portray my personality. I'm trying to show this is the personality I am this. So when people come here, they will read it and think, is this connecting with me? Then some people might also come and think, meditation, okay, this person probably is like a sannyasi. So I added something else. I live my life fully, unaffected, helping all with love, which shows I'm not sannyasi. Can you see? So I am now explaining, who am I? You don't have to see me. You don't meet me at all in this life. There's no need to. But please understand, this is me. And would you like to connect with me to know about something different? Then looking at this, I've got a YouTube channel. They might click. I mean, this YouTube channel is I simply created. It's not mine. They will click and then they will see another personality. Because once they are inside, they want to explore. Who is this person? Well, very interesting. Is this person suitable for me to be my friend? Now understand what Baba clearly has said. People's spiritual power is zero. There's no spirituality in people. They have lost it. They're searching for it. They're searching for it. And people are very, very lonely deep inside. They want to connect with some form of power, source, spiritual power, a spiritual friend. And that is where you are here, to show Baba is your friend. Can you see? That is how you must set up. Now, before you can set it up by editing profile, but I want to share with you something else. If you read the Murli of 20th May, please read it. 20th May 1971. I go through this. The old Murlis are very nice to read. So when I was reading last month, 20th May 1971, either 20th or 1 week earlier or before, Baba mentions every word you say will become blessing for people. Every word you say must touch people. I did not write these words simply. I sit at Amritwala and I would like you to sit at Amritwala and talk to Baba. Baba, what word is going to bring power when people read? The right people read. Not everybody. When the right people read, they must feel Baba is coming. What are those words? Write it down, put it here, and then rethink again, talk to Baba. Baba, is this correct? Is this correct? Can I change it? How? Every word must become blessing. I have done this since my very early days of Gyan. Because when I was in the university, I was alone with only a few brothers, and there was no teacher, no seniors. Baba used to help me at every point in so many ways. And in one Murli, when I read, Baba said, Baba will give you many gifts. And one of the greatest gifts Baba has given is the word Mera Baba, my Baba. Now, I experimented something after reading all this Murli. That was, now I want to share this with you because I want you to try this out with the words that you are going to use. Now, many years back, about 20 years back, one day on 18th January, I woke up and told Baba, Baba, you said, Mera Baba is a gift. How is this a gift? Can you give me this gift today on 18th January? Then I looked at Baba in front of me and said, okay, Baba, let me test you today. Every time I say Mera Baba, Baba, no matter how bad I am or whether I'm in this Gyan or not in Gyan, whether I'm away, whether I'm slack, whether I'm lazy, whatever, every time I say Mera Baba with love from my heart, you must come in front of me and give me such powerful drishti and make me bodiless. Can you do that, Baba? 18 January, I'm challenging Baba and testing. I looked at Baba and steep from my heart, I said, Mera Baba, 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 Mera Baba, my Baba. Something so amazing happened. There was so much power coming into it, my eyes. And Baba, teacher, Sadhguru Baba, the essence of the relationship was in that powerful drishti coming into me. Then the day was over. After that, every time when I say deep love, Mera Baba, the same thing keeps happening until today. Then I realized something else because I used to watch in the Bhakti story that when Shiva gives something, that's it, it's permanent, he won't take back and cannot take back. I understood the power of that one word. That means that one word now is no more word. Baba's blessing and power has become packaged into that word. And that word now is total blessing. Today, Baba said nothing new in Murli. I've also tested this. I asked Baba, Baba, nothing new. Can you put your blessing inside at Amrita? So every time something happens, nothing new. There is such amazing power as if Baba is in front of me. I want you to test this. It is between you and Baba, not me. I'm, as I said, I cannot teach you anything. Baba is the teacher. I can teach you the Lokik stuff, but what is the point? That is not our method. Our method is godly method. Now you need to ask Baba, what is this word? Bring that word in front of you. Baba, I'm going to put this word in Instagram. Now, Baba, how do I get this feeling of love, spirituality into this? You go and learn yourself. Then come up with these powerful words. But when somebody else read it, they won't feel. But when the right person comes to your Instagram, that blessing from the word will hit them and they will know this is the person, this is the place. I must go. You must put such power of your blessing into the profile. Can you see what you're doing? You are not setting up Instagram. You are setting up a power source, a source of power, which will touch the correct person, not everybody, when they come there. That is the attitude. That is the attitude you are going to put inside this page. Are you all right? So I'm personally asking you, test this out with Baba. Okay? So that is your homework. Don't forget to do that homework throughout this week. Right? Okay. Now we have done this thing. Let's go to the profile and I'm going to show a few things. Okay. So I'm going to click profile. And now I still cannot put my name because I've changed my name few times. So I think you can put your name. So the first thing you want to do is put a photo. Think of a good photo later. Change this name. I'm not sure that you can change this name, but if you can change it to the right name that you feel is best. Yeah, you can change the username. Yeah, you can change. All right. I changed it once. Then put your website. Now, this is your homework. Can you see? Now, if you want to give a gap, let's go back. Can you see here? I've got 1, 2, 3. Then I gave a gap. Normally, you won't get a gap. So what you have to do, when you reach here, you put your mouse and then you press enter. And then you press the space, once space, the space bar, the space. That will create something written here. All right, but you cannot see. Then only you can fill up this if you want a space. Okay, I'm just telling you. All right, so let me show you what I mean. See here, right? There is a space here. Okay, let's see. So let's say I remove the space. I put my cursor here. Can you see space? I'm going to backspace. Backspace. Okay. Can you see that? All right, backspace ready, yeah? Now let me save it. Let me save, submit. Submit. Let's go back to my profile. It's gone, right? Now let me give the space again. Okay. Now, I'm just showing you because then if you're confused, then you keep asking me. Okay, so what I do is I put my cursor here, mouse. I enter, not enough, must do once, what's that? And then press once the space bar. Because every time you press, it's considered one letter. So you can only write 150 letters maximum. So keep it very essential, very powerful. I'm going to press my bar once. You'll see this moving, okay? Done. Okay, so then move. All right. Okay, then submit. Then I put my email because I don't care. I want somebody to connect with me. Yes, I want them to connect with me because they will message me if they need something. Phone number I don't want to put because I don't want to get connected with you over the phone. This is not a socializing platform for me. This is for me to connect you with Baba. I have decided to make myself a male because yesterday I was a female. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay. All right. Good. Then, okay, submit. Okay. Then you click submit. In case you feel something is wrong with your account and somebody is doing something, generally it doesn't happen unless you release your password to somebody. Then temporarily disable your account. Maybe you accidentally put something which shouldn't put. Disable it first, then remove those things. Okay. All right. So these are the things I would like you to set up. Then the other things, okay, you can just click. This is important. Let's take a look. Push notification. So do you want people to like your photos? Because most people have some expectation, including BKs. I can give you an example. Let's say you send WhatsApp to somebody, something nice, and that person never reply you. Do you feel, hey, why is this person never reply? Is there a small desire to even want the reply back? I no need to answer me. No need to answer me. All right. If you have such desire accidentally, maybe you are removing it. You will soon remove it. Okay. If you think you're going to be affected by people liking and dislike what you put, then you better off it. Or just put from people I know, I follow. All right. But for me, it doesn't matter whether you like or you don't like. If you don't like, I prefer you don't like me. I'll tell you why in a short while. That means if I post something and people say, dislike you, I dislike what you say, it's good for me. I'll tell you why. Then do you want comment from every people or you don't want people to comment? If you want to open Instagram, then you have to become unaffected. Your work is what? To reach Baba's children. Who is doing the work? Karan Karavan Ha Baba. Are you doing the work? Then why you care about all this? You need to be strong. Definitely somebody will dislike you. Okay, all right. Okay, so this all you go through yourself, all right? Okay, anything not sure, you can discuss among yourself. So I hope you're clear, all right? Change password, okay, I leave that to you. This, not now, let's go back. Okay, done. Okay, I hope you're clear about this, right? Now, next part. Then, if I click this, I'm not sure, I got 11 followers. Where did I get 11 followers? Okay, let's click. I think must be some of you, isn't it? There are quite a number. Yeah. Okay, we'll take a look at this. The 11 followers, but they want to follow me. I have not accepted. Now, I am not even sure who are all these people because your name is not telling at all. Okay. So if I want, I can just remove. I'm not sure who removed this. Okay. All right. There's a remove here. This is brother from, I think, Turkey or Greece. I'm not sure. In C. All right. Okay. So somebody has removed. No. Okay. So I can remove these people and they won't know I've removed. That means I don't want to follow. Anyway, I'll come to this short while. Okay. Now next, Dadi Janki's photos here. I click. Dadi's photos here, videos here. Let's make it smaller. Okay. All right. Let's make it smaller. This. I have typed something. Do you want to see what I typed? This is what you post. This is you post. And this is absolutely important. Why? Before I explain to you why, let me take you to somewhere else. Oh, by the way, my apologies. Sister Shivani's actual, I see it's very confusing. Unnecessary Instagram should be removed from Shivani. Because there are too many BK Shivani and they're posting everything. She has 847,000 followers and she's not following anybody. Can you see that? That's what we want. After some time, when you are a strong influencer, there is no need to follow. And Sister Shivani is very simple. She just put spiritual guide and mentor because people already know her. Can you see that? So she doesn't matter for her. Okay. But for us, it matters because we are not well known. So you have to put something, talk to Baba first. Now, however, I'm still not so excited because for such a great personality where Baba works through, it has to be more than that. But I think it will. But let's take a look. Okay. This is a video. She's got 40.9K thousand. Very good. This is just not a video, it's just a photo. Can you see? Videos are always getting more people to see. That's why I suggest you become a video expert rather than just putting pictures. So in your Instagram, put all photos, 10%. Don't put too many words. And even this, I feel there's too many words. But I'm not sure who's seeing it. Maybe all of these are people who are BKs. Half of them could be BKs. Remember, we don't want BK in your Instagram. Unnecessary. We don't want them. Unnecessary. You can, but it's not necessary. Your target is to reach people who are not BKs yet. All right. Now, videos are good. This one is less. Can you see? I just want you to understand the strategy. Again, more, less. Can you see? More, less. See? So the videos are always best. This is less because this is just a flyer, nothing there. All right. Okay. So this is how we do research. So research is telling us from Shivani Sister's website, Insta, that video is far better than picture. All right, so let's keep it like that. I would like you to be an expert in this. Okay, now, good. Everything here is about Shivani. Good. All right, everything is about Shivani. So that's how you need to keep it. Good. Now let's click something. I'm going to click this. What is this? So Sister Shivani has put something here. Fine. Or not Sister Shivani, her team. There's something here. But however, this is not, what is this? These are just links. Links to some maybe books, some video, some cassette. It's Amazon. That means you're trying to say being loved. As a books. She's promoting books. Now, this is not so good strategy. Hey, don't get me wrong. Okay, don't get me wrong, right? You must understand that I train corporate people to penetrate market, to penetrate people and get them to buy their product. So I'm thinking like that. So don't misunderstand. What I'm saying is it is okay to put this because that's a link, but there has to be a story here about what the book is about. Or maybe it's here, I'm not sure. But some explanation so that people can read what is this about. You see, you need to put a story about it. Because people will read, but this is just something typed. But there has to be something with Baba's words inside there. So I would like you to change your strategy. You must put your story here. Let's take a look at another person. Now let's take a look at this video. She has put something here, good. So when people read, because they may not want to watch this, some of them will just read. So it has to be a story here. Okay. Better still, if Sister Shivani relates the experience rather than just putting words of knowledge. But as I said, this is not Sister Shivani. Somebody else might be writing for her because she's very busy. So in your Instagram, whatever video you put here, you need to put experience, not teaching people, not points of knowledge. Because I already told you, when people come to your Instagram, for them you are nobody. So don't try to teach me. Shivani sisters, okay, she can teach them because she is different. She's an influencer. But if you start putting your points of knowledge and that, people will keep away. Rather than that, explain your actual experience a little bit. Okay. And Instagram is always automatically, the speaker is off. So they need to click this, okay, to listen to the lecture. All right. I hope you're okay. So this part is very important. Now let's get back to mine, all right? Let's get back to what I set up. Now, I'm going to go back to Dadi Janki here. This is, remember, this Instagram belongs to Madhuri, BK Madhuri. I want you to read this. This is just an example of what I've done. This is my story. The story of how my world changed. You see? The amazing transformation of a simple-minded girl into an all-knowing yogi at such a young age. I am BK Madhuri. My story began when I met the greatest soul of my life, the one who taught me who exactly I am. I am not this identity which I carry with me, but I am powerful, pure, divine energy. I am going on. This is my own story. Nobody can say I'm wrong. This is what I meant, that when you put this, when the right soul comes and read this, Baba will touch them and make them feel, hey, I want to be here. I want to join this. Who is this Dadi Janki? They will go and Google. That's where you will need your YouTube channel or your website here. Are you okay? I see. Which means you have a lot of work to do. Why? Because you need to think of what story to write first. So this is what you talk to Baba every day. 10 minutes. Baba, what story? What is the experience I want to tell people? No need to be your story. Sometimes it can be Brahma Baba's story, Dadi Janki's story, Dadi Prakashmani's story. But you take it and put it as if you are telling them. It doesn't matter because it's Baba who's telling. Like sometimes Dadi has said some nice story. So you should speak as if, I remember when I was 18 years old, I had this amazing chance to meet Baba or a senior, something like that. So that story you write here will now become the video. This is how we create impact. Impact through the eyes which is seeing the video and the mind which is absorbing the story, plus Baba who is coming in between and saying something. I'm not sure what Baba is going to do, but I leave to Baba. Baba, this story is after I think so long sitting with you. You are my friend. We wrote this story together, Baba. This is how much love we have for Baba. It amazes me when I sit and write stories like this because it just makes me go into deep love. You have to do it. You can write anytime, but after writing it, you bring it to Baba at Amritwala and go through it. Talk to Baba, because when Baba hears it and gives you drishti, that is going to put the blessings into every world. This is the specialty of Confluence Age, where God's blessing goes into the words of the children. We have to do this. Difficult. Not difficult. Can be done. But it's difficult because you may not have tried it yet, some of you. It's time to try. Okay? So, can you see this story? All right? So, I'm going to copy this. Let's make this smaller. All right. I'm going to copy this now. All right? Okay, I'm going to Control C. I'm going to put it in my website later. Okay, now let's play this thing. Let's play this thing. All right. I hope you can listen to the music. Is there music here? Oh, okay. Hang on. Again. Okay. I want you to see something. What is that? Hang on. I have done a mistake here. I have done a mistake. No, not with the pictures. I have done a mistake in the flow of the video. It's not a technical mistake. It is just the story, something wrong with the story. Watch. Because here I'm saying what? It's a story, right? Okay, please watch. I purposely want to show you this. Let's take a look. Okay. Beginning, Dadi Janki is coming. Stop. I am mixing two stories inside here, or maybe three stories. What is my story again? Watch it again. The first story I am talking about, Dadi Janki, one of the most amazing yogi who walked on earth. So people who see this, wait, Dadi Janki, okay, let's see what is this. But next slide. Next slide is going to Madhuri Ben. This one is just only for learning. I will not post all this. I will delete all this. Okay, because I couldn't get some nice pictures. That's why. So Madhuri's band's face is doing seva here. Right. Now, what is wrong here? The first slide is about Dadi Janki. Secondly, I'm telling my story. I am Madhuri Ben. The third one, I am now talking about connecting with God. Not good. There's no story here. It is three different stories put together. No power. A story means when you watch any movie, what happens? It starts off slow and then brings you to a climax. Highest part, the climax. This story is all mixed up. In Malaysia, we say Roja. Roja means all mixed up. There are three stories here. Number one, I'm talking about the yogi who walked, the greatest yogi. Number two, I'm saying about myself. I am Madhuri Ben. There, the story is about Madhuri Ben. Nothing about Dadi Janki. Nothing about connecting with God. So the first slide and the third slide must be removed. And this story is about me, B.K. Madhuri. Do not mix up, because the intellect of the Tamo Pradhan world is so cannot focus on many things. Cannot focus. So you have to build up. If I put Madhuri Ben's face, what is next? What is next? What is next? What is next? I can't put Dadi Janki. Let's take a look. How? If I put Dadi Janki, then I must put my face beside and connect it with Dadi Janki. That's how I meant. Because then it's my story of how I met the greatest yogi. So remember, when you're building story is very important, because it's, remember, who is playing, who is doing the job, not you. Baba must touch, and our intellect must be so clear to help Baba, although we are only doing 1% of the work and Baba's done all the 99%, but doesn't matter. That 1% of the work, do it properly with a clear intellect. And that's absolutely important. That's where you need to be yogi. Remember, the Instagram is a tool not only for marketing. Marketing, Baba will look after. That is, don't worry about marketing. The Instagram is for you to increase your remembrance and relationship with Baba. That's how we must use the Instagram. Okay, because many BKs I've spoken to, they are afraid to open even an account. It's a totally Tamo Pradhan thing. What can we do there? What is there to be done? Wasting time? No, everything that you see is an opportunity for service. And Baba will teach you how. How? Amrit Vela. Okay, let's go out from here. Okay, so you have understood that my video is actually not good. I must delete that. Not good at all. Now, next point. Don't simply write something here, because everything you do now here is going to show this. This is the essence of all that you post. If you have to do something else, example, maybe the center you come from, the center coordinator, center in charge, Didi, Dadi, whoever's there, says, okay, Nandabai, start an Instagram, do something. Don't touch this. This is between you and Baba. Open another Instagram with another team of brother and sister. That is another service for the center. Right? Think like that. Hope you're okay. All right, good. So where are we now? So we have done this. Good. Let's take a short break and remember Baba. Let's play one song. Okay, short while, and remember Baba for a while. Okay, let's try. Okay, Om Shanti. Okay, right. Okay, good. Let's proceed. So that song is so amazing. I think many of you know the meaning. Those days were so beautiful because Baba was with us. These days are also very beautiful because Baba is still here. So let's go and share further things. Okay. Let me take you to the PowerPoint now. Now, building your Instagram story. Let's go. Okay. Good. All right. Okay. Now, we want to build our story, as I told you. Look, even the song gives you so much idea. Baba sometime in Sakar Murli will say, when you listen to some old song, nice song, and you'll get some ideas. Let's build our story. Okay. Now, how you build your story? This is Madhuri-ben. From a very ordinary girl, she has become somebody great. One picture, one header, one text line. That's it. Baba must touch them. We don't want unnecessary words. Then you create, okay, how many slides or videos do I need for this? So, okay, I want to put this for 1 minute because my story is long. I want to show. But you need not show the entire story of, let's say, Madhuri-ben is 20, 30 years in Gyan. Don't show that 30 years in just one video. It has to be broken, that 30 years or 20 years of your Gyan, of your life. Break it into 20 videos. Doesn't matter which year, doesn't matter, but break it. Each video is telling a story. What story? You need to, that's why you have to make this thing. Slide number 1, me and my Kaliyuk life, how I left it. How Mama's story is very interesting, no? How she left, I think how she was engaged to somebody and she left and came to Baba. That's a story. But what is the story behind this Instagram holder? Something. Remember, you don't have to put your story. It can be anybody's story. But Baba's story. Because nobody is going to know it's you. You could be a 60, 70-year-old person behind the Instagram account. But what are you sharing? You are sharing the divine stories of God, which is going to become scriptures. Because each word is now filled with God's blessing. That's how you need to think. That's how we are thinking now. So put here, me and God, me and Dadi, me and Madhuban, me and this, me. But every movie, you have to come in somewhere. How? There. That's how you connect. You know why? You put Dadi Janki, how will the person connect with a person who has left the body? But then when you put your photo, they know you are alive. Oh, this is the person I'm talking to. Okay, this is the person's Instagram. There's a connection. Can you imagine what I'm saying? Okay, let me give you an example. I told you yesterday, Sister Shivani had a program in Dubai. There are over 1,000 people attending it. Now, Sister Shivani, everybody is now waiting, and then Sister Shivani doesn't go, and she says, it's okay, even if I'm not there, I've recorded my voice, and I'm going to play it in front of all of you live. You think people are going to be happy? Why? But still, it's the same lecture Shivani is talking, but it's on a player. It's on a PC. And the PC is shooting it to the entire auditorium. 3,000 people is listening to it. But Shivani Band is here. Is it the same? No, it's not the same. Because the human being soul is so empty, it wants to connect. It wants to connect to a higher source. And who is that higher source? It's you first, then Baba. You are the agent. So that is why I'm saying every photo you need to link yourself because you are the influencer. So if Shivani Band is not there, they will walk out. They will say, oh, you want me to react, respond and interact with the PC which is playing? That's not what I come here for. I want to see and hear and get an experience from the person. There's a difference. Can you see? If I don't put this photo, wait, let me take it out. Let me take out. So at least you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to take this out. Let's put white color. Okay. Is it same? You're seeing Dali Janki. It's not the same. But now let me go back. Yes, let me remove this first. Right. It's not the same. You see? There's a difference. People want to connect with who is behind. Are you a robot or simply playing or what? So you need to have your face. It's not, I'm not seeing it as a body conscious thing. All right. I want you to see it differently. I want you to see it as an agent to connect with Baba. But remember, they will never be able to talk to you because you never gave them the handphone. They won't meet you also. All right. And any part of the world can actually connect with you. You're not talking about your area. Anybody can connect. Because if there are 500 BKs with 500 Instagram, the right person with the right karmic account, Baba must get them to see yours. So don't know who is going to get connected with you. Okay. This is out of place. And then this is a terribly bad idea. This is not Madhuri Band. Why are you trying to cheat me? I cannot connect. This is not real. Anybody can do this. So Madhuri Band must now sit in the Baba's room or in front of Shiv Baba, and then somebody must take the photo for her, and that photo must put here. You need a team of people. You need your real photo in you. You don't have to show your entire face, but at least a little bit of the real you. Don't worry, they are not connecting with you. So this is a bad photo because it breaks the story. You are not telling the truth. It's not me connecting. I don't know, there's somebody else connecting. And look, in this picture, I'm telling another interesting information. What is that? Connecting with God. Okay, but who is the God here? I am subtly saying God is this. Introducing. Later, I will tell you who's God in my story number 15. Later. It will come. Okay, so you need to build your story. 3 slides not enough. It's a 1 minute. At least put 1 minute, at least 40 minutes. And remember to write your story. Let's put it down here. All right, good. Now. Good. Let's make this big. Okay. This is my story. Let's take a look. Okay. This is my story. Now, you have written this story after discussing with Baba. Write your story. From the story, think, what photo, Baba, should I put? Remember, everything takes place with Baba. If you just think, hey, what photo to take? Okay, let's go and take a photo somewhere. Let's do this. All those are absolutely body conscious waste of time because Baba is not involved. Don't do such unnecessary seva and become body conscious. Are you okay? So if you need to find for photos, do it with Baba's remembrance. Do it with Baba. Talk to Baba. This is how we put power in it. All right? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, I've given you the story. Finished. What's that? Okay. Next. This is from what is this? This is a video from Gujarat, I think so. Gujarat Baba Center. Okay. All right. Global Peace Auditorium. I think it's in somewhere in Gujarat. Okay, I'm just going through fast. Okay. All right. Good. Good. You are trying to showcase your auditorium. All right. But this is for who? You have posted it in YouTube. All right. You have posted it in YouTube. Now, all right, let's go back here. Let's go back. I'm going to do something here. I want to take you to this YouTube here and I want to show you something. I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to go to Google. All right. Okay. Okay, good. So here, I'm going to paste the YouTube channel. Let's wait for a while.
Now.
Good. Okay, so this is a video. All right. Let's move for the 16 minutes, very long. I think it's meant just for PKs or just put in this. Okay, so now this is a great story if you want to show. But remember, when you put stories like this, somebody will comment and say what? Wow, very luxurious people. You're very rich, Brahma Kumari. Somebody will say, all right, all this. Okay, this is good. This is a good story. So what you have to do is take this video, chop it off, chop, and make it into 10 stories. This is one way. So if center is asking you, if the the Global Peace Auditorium is asking you to have an Instagram, then this is what you do. Let's go down, scroll down and see, all right? Let's see what they have written. Okay, I'm just scrolling down because I want to show you something. I'm just going fast, sorry. Okay, this is a wonderful place, beautiful place. Most of them are BKs, all right? Most of them are BKs. I'm just scrolling down. I want to see whether anybody has said something. Okay, everybody is praising. Now, sorry, just give me a moment. I thought I saw somebody say something bad. Look at this. What is this? Let's make it big. Suyashi Vinit. Don't know which country, must be from India. They live in so much luxury. Oh my God. Everybody has said good things because they all know, but one person don't know. What do you think? Is this good or bad? Now, please type in your chat and tell me. If you don't want to say, it's okay. But for me, this is absolutely good. Why? Because I can reply to Suyashi Vinit. I wrote down just now. Om Shanti, brother. I would like to invite you to my place. Explaining such thing and invite. This will happen and you need to answer. So most of us are simply putting something and not being responsible. You need to, if you put up something in YouTube, of course the YouTube class will come later. Please don't think you put something and finished. It can cause disservice. You need to neutralize, because somebody who is not a BK is going to come and read that and agree with that person and spread unnecessary bad things about Baba. So I've given him an invitation. Please come and visit us. When COVID is all over, we will welcome you and then we'll take you around and show what is this place, how we are doing service for humanity. All right. So remember, every time you put something, you better make sure that you neutralize, because it might cause disservice. Same with Instagram. Whoever disagree with you, don't like with you, dislike with you, let's go back to my Instagram. Let's say now my Instagram. Somebody has given view. All right, let's see. What's the view? I'm going to type. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. I have heard many wrong things about the BKs. Post. Can you see this will happen? This will happen. You need to manage it. These are all Baba today mentioned, isn't it? Maya will come by your experience. It's all paper tiger. How do you manage this? For me, this is good. Why? Because the next person who comes and read, people love to read negative things. You agree with me, isn't it? The Kali Yuga people love negative things because it makes them powerful negatively. And when they read, I have answered. I have already given my answer, a long, nice, beautiful answer, inviting that person. I would like you to invite to come to my center in Kuala Lumpur at this 7:30. Please come. Everything is free. Let us know when you're coming. We will wait for you. And then you can take a look at how brothers and sisters do service. It's a great opportunity to serve with that person. But before you answer, what you must do? Are you forgetting? Who is doing the work? The words are yours. The idea could be yours. But who is going to pack it with the proper blessing? Baba. This is opportunity to interact with Baba's children who has wrongly misunderstood. So don't worry about these things. It will happen. But if the person is simply creating problem, yes, you can block the person and you can also delete that if you think this person is completely out. Then you can remove. Are you okay? All right, good. So I hope you're okay with this. So that's what. Good. Let's go back to my PowerPoint. Okay. So this is a very good video on the Global Peace Auditorium. Similarly, let me give another story. Some important function has happened in your center. I think this is what this. Let me read the chat. Is it something important? Okay. All right. Now, the most important thing is the story. What is happening? Interacting. So you're showing something, but these are pictures. Videos are good, short videos, do it differently. And then, but these are pictures. What is your story here? What story? You want to write a story here? Are you going to say there was 50 of sisters dressed up like angels walking on the streets of, don't know which country is this, India, maybe Mauritius or somewhere. We were walking on the streets like angels with a butterfly like wing. Is that a story? That's not a story. Who wants to know what you are doing? Oh, what is, you need to transfer a spiritual energy in that story. How do you do that? Now take this picture, take this picture. What do you see? Sisters like angels. If I am the one, I'll say, hey, you all got nothing else to do. People suffering on earth, man. You all are wasting money on buying all these things. Okay, okay, you all can enjoy it. Okay, but I am not so interested in all this. There are people like that. But what's your story? We need to change those people. Because there are some very intelligent Baba's children who has become quite ego because of many births of being cheated by all the sannyasis. In this birth, they like, I don't believe any of this nonsense anymore. Because they've been cheated for many births. They've lost so many things. We need to break that. So what's your story here? So story has to be something. I don't know, you talk to Baba. Why are you asking me? Talk to Baba. All right? It has to be a story. Don't simply put something. Next, what else? You can also be, and I put Madhuri Ben. Why? Why did I put Madhuri Ben? Because Madhuri Ben never lived here. So how does Madhuri Ben tell the story? I don't want to tell the Yagya story. The story is not about the Yagya. Because that's not what the people are interested. The people are interested is, I want to know your story. That's why I came to Instagram here. If not, I'll go to Brahma Kumari's Instagram. So what is your story? Your story is, this was the story of Brahma Kumaris. But each and every one of them, how they impact me. Then you put a round here, put a round red. Can you see? No, I don't have it here. But let's say I draw here. Then in your video, you put a round circle. This is Dadi Prakash Maniji. Your story is, from one photo, your story is, I met her in 1992 in Kuala Lumpur. She looked at me and gave me divine drishti. Story starts. And your story is now about all those. Each and everything tells story. This is Jagadamba Mateswari Saraswati, Mama. What is the story? Right? Everything has a story. You need to bring back the story of the Yagya. The story of how we have changed. The story of how you will change. Now, who can teach you that? Who can teach you? Baba. This is, Sister Shivali has sent me this. This is about Global Hospital. She has sent me this brochure, nice brochure with a lot of information. But as I told you, people are very lazy intellect to even read and absorb information. They will read, but nothing will touch their heart. How do I change this? How do I change this into a story? How do I change this part only to a story? Every part is a story. But this is Global Hospital, remember? So you can talk to the chief there and say, we will start one Global Hospital Instagram. That's for Global Hospital. Because they are connecting with a building, the hospital. But then you can have your own. Sister Shivali, a volunteer, Sevadari, at this hospital. This is my story. That's different. More people will go to see Sister Shivali's Instagram than just an ordinary institution. So that's how you must create. Every picture you see happening in front of you in the hospital, you need to take a shot and then bring it in front. Baba, today this poor sister came to Baba hospital. How can I use this to increase Baba's service? I took this photo. A conversation between you and Baba all the time. Remember, this is a tool to improve Baba's remembrance. Let's have traffic control.
योगी बनो ज्ञानी बनो योगी जीवन है प्यारा योगी बनो ज्ञानी बनो योगी जीवन है प्यारा काम क्रोध मद लोभ मोह वश आज है सब मोहताज योग लगा कर पाप मिटा ले स्वर्ग सजा ले तू आज काम क्रोध मद लोभ मोह वश आज है सब मोहताज योग लगा कर पाप मिटा ले स्वर्ग सजा ले तू आज जन्म जन्म की प्यास बुझा ले पावन बन सरकार योगी बनो ज्ञानी बनो योगी जीवन है प्यारा संगम युग में परम पिता शिव कहते हैं राज तू है एक अविनाशी आत्मा सुन लो मेरी आवाज संगम युग में परम पिता शिव कहते हैं राज तू है एक अविनाशी आत्मा सुन लो मेरी आवाज सुख शांति और पावनता से झोले भर लो आज योगी बनो ज्ञानी बनो योगी जीवन है प्यारा परम धाम से आए हैं शिव ब्रह्मा तनवाधार मुक्ति और जीवन मुक्ति का जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार परम धाम से आए हैं शिव ब्रह्मा तनवाधार मुक्ति और जीवन मुक्ति का जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार चलना है चलना है घर वापस अब तो यही ज्ञान का सार योगी बनो ज्ञानी बनो योगी जीवन है प्यारा योगी जीवन है प्यारा योगी जीवन है प्यारा
Okay, let's continue. Okay. Okay, good. This is healthcare, and then whoever the sister handling, I'm not sure, I just got one photo and put here. Whoever's handling, connect your story. This is Sister Shivali's working here. All right. So my story as a yogi. What is that? Okay, all right. Okay, good. So let's proceed. Now, this was sent to me by one of the sisters. I think from Jakarta. From not Jakarta, sorry, don't know where. Jakarta. This is Sister Jabin. She's a meditation teacher, mentor. Good. Now look, she's got an Instagram. She's got an Instagram account. But she's professional. So sometimes you cannot show yourself as a full BK. You have to do it differently, in a subtle way. Okay, so the reason I'm showing you this, because I want you to take a look at her Instagram. She has done something nice. But before that, let's move to the next part. Okay, I want to show you something. So I'm going to take you to her Instagram. Okay. Let's search for Sister's Instagram, Quantum of Joy. Okay. So she has done a lot of stuffs here. Okay. She's got some followers, excellent. She puts herself as meditation teacher, mother, mentor. Because it's a Muslim country, you can't really go full, but she's showing it in a very professional way. She's good. Okay, good. Then she has put some videos. Let's click on something. So she's saying how to meditate. But that's not the purpose I brought you here. I want you to take a look. This is whatever she has written. Okay. All right. Her story is here, but you can put the story here. All right. But it's always best to link about you. This is somebody else. But people are more interested on how you have done it. So it's always more powerful if you can show yourself on how you have done it. I'm sure it's somewhere here. Okay, anyway, let's go back. Now, I want you to take a look at this. This is called hashtag. So under your comments, after you comment, we need to put hashtags. Now, how to choose the hashtag? What is a hashtag? A hashtag is something which is going to bring people to your Instagram faster. So this website here, Sister Jabin has done very nicely. She has put all this hashtag so that people will come and visit easily. I will show you how to do that, but I'm just introducing you to this. Okay. All right. Let's get back now. All right. So let's go back to my PowerPoint. Okay. Okay, right. Now, so next. The hashtags are coming soon, but I want you to do some homework for me. All right. Remember, you got too many homeworks nowadays, huh? I'm giving you a lot of homework. Okay. A BK marketing, content creation planning. So assuming now I'm in Malaysia, my target group, all right, I'm targeting Indian origin, Hindus, middle age and above, assuming I'm targeting my Instagram to this group. Okay. There could be another Instagram where I'm targeting a broader group. But in this Instagram, so your work, you have a small notebook. So whatever idea comes from Baba, you write down. So my main message for this week, for the next 10 days, 5 weeks, 2 videos per week, up to you. Main message I want to send is the law of karma. Can you see? That's my story, you know. My story is about main message. Law of karma. You and your team in the center, Baba Center, create a team because sometimes it's very difficult to work alone. You can. Then I say Tuesday, June 8, June 12. Put all the dates. Commit yourself every 3 days once. My first story. My first message is we need to be responsible for our own action. That is the story. Talk to Baba. Baba, give me a write-up. How? Take a write-up, write down. How? Link yourself inside, collect the necessary pictures throughout the world. Ultimately, it is don't go and show BBC News here and say, people killing here, bomb here. Is this what you want? I will tell you straight at your face. You don't have to put this in Instagram. I can watch it in BBC or World News or somewhere. I'm not coming to your Instagram for you to tell me about the world news. Don't do things like that because your follower won't increase. Don't put do good, you get good. Do bad. Who don't know that? But nobody practice what? Do you need to tell me? My mother has been telling me for last 40 years, I never follow. So I will tell you straight in your face if I'm Kali Yuga person. So how do I show this? After you have shown whatever story, you need to link how you. I remember stealing from a shop. Tell you a story. When I was 12 years old. But when I was 18, I was still thinking about it. How I shouldn't have stolen. Now, after coming here, I understand everything you do, you cannot escape. But I found a way that I need to repay them, those who I stole from, cause pain, suffering, through my mind and through my action. And that is what I am doing now. Put your photo nicely together, create a story, talk to Baba like this. Remember, every story must link you in some way because the person who comes to your Instagram is connecting to you, then Baba later. So put your story, how to do good karma, suffering, whatever. Get all this subtitle from Baba. Discuss, talk. You have a lot of things to do, no, during Amrit Wala. There is no reason for us to fall asleep. Can you see? So this is a chart you need to have with you. It's a chart you need to have with you. Not a chart, a small book, a notebook. My service notebook for Instagram service notebook. Just giving an example. So I want you to do like this. Do for 10 stories, but the main topic is law of karma. Then let's say you are quite good in Gyan. Right, time. What is time? Explain in a different way. One day explain the symbol of swastika, how you discovered the meaning, how you discovered the meaning. Don't give direct Gyan. How you discovered it. One day I went to a temple and I saw this priest. I mean, Hindus do it everywhere in the world. I saw this priest writing it on the car of my friend. My friend had bought a new car and the priest was trying to do some puja for the car, and then he wrote that swastika symbol on top of it. I became very curious. So go to somebody's car, put that swastika there, take a photo, bring it back for your video. Then create your story of how you discovered the true meaning. Then bring in Ganesh. Ganesh has got a swastika in his hand. Show what is the meaning. I started to think very deeply. I discovered the answer in meditation. That's the story. There's so many ways to make it interesting. All right? People must trust you. Okay. I'm just giving ideas. It is you and Baba. Then, not finished yet. Create your slides. 10 slides. 10, 1 minute, 1 minute. What do you want to teach? It can be any subject. Any subject. Depending on your crowd. We are talking about Hindu crowd here. Those who are in Europe, you have to do it differently because the white people's crowd is different. If you're serving a Muslim community, it's different. You have to talk to Baba. Then create another one, another 10, 12 slides. Okay, create. So this is your big plan, master plan on a piece of paper which you have gone through with Baba. This is a divine plan between you and God. Amazing. Children are planning with Baba. Don't you think so? And who are you planning with? Brahma Baba. There's something I discovered along the way when I was very early in my Gyan years. Do you know what is the greatest gift that Shiv Baba has given us? Whatever your answer is probably going to be wrong. But the greatest gift, I think, is Brahma Baba. Brahma Baba is our greatest gift. He lives for the children. Did you hear today's Murli? Children are my world. That's what Baba said. Baba lives for us. That is how much Baba loves us. Brahma Baba is every Brahmin child's gift, a gift which we must use. But sometimes many children forget that Brahma Baba is just waiting and waiting and waiting. Plan with Brahma Baba, Bab Dada. This is your plan, master plan. Baba will teach you new stuffs. Okay, so this is your homework. Create this. It's okay if you're wrong. After you do this, look for the material. All these are material. Write down what you want here, 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 here. And then use the Canva. Do it first. Doesn't matter if it doesn't look so good first. Do it first. We will come to the part when we will fine tune it and learn more stuffs in video editing. Don't worry about that. Okay. Get this done. Put it on a big chart. Talk to Didi, Dadi, brother, sister, whoever in chart center. I would like to form a team to discuss this. Sit, brainstorm, create this. Give work to people who don't have seva to do. Get them involved. Create that energy in the center. Okay, good. All right. I hope you're okay. Now, before we leave, I think I will stop here. Okay, I hope you're all right. So this is your homework. Let's go back. What else is your homework? Okay, I've gone through this. And okay, so keep sending me whatever videos you have done. Let me just check whether I've missed out anything. Okay. Send me whatever you want. Okay. Now, so what do you have to do? Let's summarize the whole thing. Let's go out of here. Good. What do you have to do? Okay. What do you have to do now? You have your first work of creating your profile. Who? Not you. Baba. Mera Baba. Do it. Right? See it like this. Baba, you create your profile. Tomorrow delete because you feel not so nice. Doesn't matter. Baba will keep refining. Talk to Baba. Baba, who, what kind of people you want will come? I leave that to you. Okay? It's you and Baba. Then what else? Story. Content planning, quality content. Don't put unnecessary wrong content and sabotage yourself and Baba. Content, the slides. Okay, I'll put this in the YouTube, as you know. Go through the last part, the slides, okay, and think about it. The content is very important. Don't say you don't have seva, and those who are saying they don't have seva, pull them in. Okay, this is your homework. Did I miss out anything? All right, if I missed out anything, let me know. Okay, I hope you're all right. Thank you so much for being with Baba. Okay, Om Shanti. I pass back to Brother Peru.
Om Shanti, Brother Nanda. So that was quite a bit. And all the participants, thank you very much for being with us over this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Basically, this might be the main thing in your agenda, I'm sure. And we are looking forward to have you, all of you again on the 19th June, which is Saturday again. We have another slot for Instagram marketing. But before we take leave, just ponder over what Baba said today. In the slogan, Baba said, those who are instrument are always liked whilst fulfilling their responsibilities. So as you have been given assignment, quite a bit it looks like. So keep yourself light and enjoy yourself because you're going to work with Baba anyway. Karan Karaman Baba is. So as an instrument, there's no burden. So there's lightness. And the other point which I would like to highlight is from the Murli today. Baba did covered about being loving and detached. Loving, you know about it. But when talking about power, no? So that's where detachment comes in. That's where karmatic stage all comes in. But Mama also put a little bit extra on that in her Mama's specialty point. She said that keep your feelings also good. So whatever it is, sometimes we learn or you interact with others, make corrections and so on. It's fine, but make sure that your feelings are always good. Good feeling must be there. So detached, loving, detached, and of course have good feelings. So that also helps us. So okay, so these are some Gyan points for today as we're ending part of our session here. It's great to have all of you with us, and we move as a team. And I'm sure these sessions are bringing us closer globally. So with that, thank you very much. And we can take leave now. Thank you. Om Shanti. We'll meet again next Saturday.
शिव बाबा को याद कर, जी भर उसको प्यार कर, सांसों को आबाद कर ले मेरे मना। शिव बाबा को याद कर, जी भर उसको प्यार कर, सांसों को आबाद कर ले मेरे मना। सांसों को आबाद कर ले मेरे मना। झूमती बहारें, रिमझिम बरसती स्नेह की फुहारें, रंग निराला है रूप सलोना, दिल चाहे उससे जुदा कब न होना, अब ना इंतजार कर बैठना, हिम्मत हार कर प्रभु का तो दीदार कर ले मेरे मना। शिव बाबा को याद कर, जी भर उसको प्यार कर, सांसों को आबाद कर ले मेरे मना, सांसों को आबाद कर ले मेरे मना। सा नि सा गा, सा गा मा पा सा नि दा पा दा मा गा, सा मा रे नि दा, दा नि रे सा नि, मा पा नि सा, गा मा पा। यादों की लहरों में जो लहराए, एक अलौकिक सुख वो पाए, शूली को कांटा कर दे, कांटे को जूही, पर्वत को राई कर दे, राई को रूई, दिल ही दिल में बात कर, मन में मुलाकात कर, खुद को तू आजाद कर ले मेरे मना।
Okay, take care, stay safe.